So you guys might be thinking this is the cheap Chinese watch, but this is the Skimi SKM 1155. I know all about this, but what we have in this package right here is something a little bit more than that. Let's get it open. So the first thing you're probably going to notice is the stunning black and white theme of the watch. The most exciting thing of these watches is that they are super affordable and still look stylish. Let's take out the watch and place it to the side. There's also a user manual and I also expected a barley guide, but there's none. The user manual is all about how to set up the date and time of the watch, access its function like stopwatch, but anyone who used a hybrid watch of any brand could do all this within a minute. Now come to our main product. This is the Skimi SKM 1155 hybrid wristwatch. We have got the black color variant here, but this watch is available in other colors too, like denim blue, red, grey, black with blue and a lot more. The watch feels high quality. On the top strap, it is written as sport watch and shock resistant. If you have this watch and if the test is different, maybe someone sent you a duplicate product. The watch face is inspired from some expensive watches made by Casio. The authenticity is also defined in the bottom strap. If the test is different from green light, you may be cheated by the seller. The bottom plate is made up of stainless steel. It has got some information about water resistance. The watch is able to withstand 5 atmospheric pressure, which is equal to around 50 meters of underwater pressure. The nice thing about this watch is that it has got 2 LED switch-on lights instead of one like we see in other watches. The other functions apart from showing the date and time are stopwatch and an alarm clock. This watch is even able to beep every 1 hour if you wanted to do so. Now I'm going to wear this watch to show you guys how it looks on my hands. It looks super cool, right? At least we should consider the affordability of this watch. Guys, don't be fooled by the duplicate version of this watch. I will provide links below so you can buy the original version made by Skimi and not get fooled by some markup brands. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're new around here, it would mean a lot to me if you could smash that subscribe button down below. And as always, thanks for watching and I'm signing out.